get up here. I got it. No. Need to start. Stop. I go. Watch. Let's do it.
This nature school is a bold idea, providing opportunities for kids to get outdoors and discover and connect and fall in love with nature. Playing, exploring, having inquiry moments where they discover something as simple as baby grasshoppers, but it's a huge impact. It makes a child light up, makes them curious, makes them want more.
The nature school curriculum is based in play because that's the way young children learn best. We borrow things from Montessori, from Waldorf, from Reggio Emilio, and we use those things to combine to make the best possible environment for young children.
It's a defined curriculum that creates a child that has a sense of wonder, has a curiosity, loves the outdoors, but also has a care for each other.
Each child is a unique human being, and we want to foster that unique human being. We want to foster their cognitive development, their social and emotional development, their creative development, and their physical development. So we do have a classroom in nature school. We have an indoor space that we use, and we're in that space about half the time. But then we also have 4 distinct habitats here at the Nature Center. The kids like to climb trees, they like to look for bugs. They'll talk about how the prairie has changed or the forest has changed, the leaves have dropped, the sun is hotter or not so hot. That's all happening, and we don't have to create it, it's just happening. And all we have to do is walk out and take advantage of it. That's a beautiful thing.